How to grow okra in containers. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm gonna show you that you can grow okra in containers, just like you can grow a lot of other vegetables in containers. You can grow okra in containers. So here I'm planting transplanted some seedlings, so 2 okra into a container, and as you can see, they are tiny seedlings that I grew from seeds. And a couple of weeks later on, this is it. It's growing. It's doing well. It's been about 5 weeks since I transplanted it, and as you can see, it's doing well. The leaves are the stem and everything looks is doing well. We had a little incident where we mistakenly hit the other one with a piece of stick, and it broke, but it should grow up. It should be able to grow. The other containers, I planted about 4 containers, so I'm going to show you the other containers later on. But this is doing great. I should be able to start harvesting it very soon, and we should be able to start getting some okra to make some gumbo, right? If you love gumbo, you can definitely grow okra in containers like this on a balcony, on the front yard, or anywhere there's enough sunlight and good compost and good potting mix. Okay, this is it after about 6 weeks to 7 weeks. It's doing really well. We already harvested a couple of them already. Unfortunately, I didn't take any video on harvesting them, but we have a few that are still on the stem right here, even though we harvested some below, but these ones are still right here. We harvested about 6 or 7 already. As you can see, the various heads that we cut them from, we harvested about 6 or 7. Every time you can get about 3 or 4 growing at the same time. So definitely, especially if the container or the potting mix is good, you're gonna get much better harvest, and you're gonna be able to get much better production from the okra plants. As you can see, these are the various heads that we harvested. We harvested about 7 already, like I said before. And you just want to make sure that the okra is in a nice location where it receives enough sunlight. And these are the other 2 small ones that were broken, and the other one that we just added last minute with the other one. And so right now we have 3 in that container. Usually 2. I think 2 is ideal in the container. You can do 1, but 2 will be ideal. Also, you want to plant the okra in a container that has some depth. I would say at least 12 to 14 inches of depth, so that the roots can penetrate. The roots can go down into the potting mix or into the soil, so that they have room to spread and grab as much nutrient as possible. So they're all doing great. Let me show you the other ones that the other containers right here that are also doing very well. So this is the okra plant after about 2 months. As you can see, we harvested some of it already, and it's still coming out. Some of the leaves, as it keeps growing, some of the leaves are dying, but that's okay. But it's still producing more okra stems, more okra over here, and the stems are doing well. So we're just gonna keep watering it. Let me give you a closer look of it. So that's the okra, and you have more coming out up here. So like I said before, we already harvested right here, this one, and this one's. And so on this plant itself, we already harvested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we already harvested 8 okra from this plant alone, and it's still producing more. So definitely you can grow okra in containers like this. This is 2-gallon container. You can grow it in a bigger container, or you can grow it in a smaller container. And this one is the same thing. This one has been growing same period of time. You have a couple of okras coming out here, and you see, this is, when you see this is not bad. It's just shedding the leaves like that. It's just shedding the leaves. So, and this one we've harvested 1, 2, 3 okra so far for this plant. So definitely grow okra in containers. If you don't have space to grow okra and you love okra, or you love to grow, this is you can grow okra in containers like this. So hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.